Can you explain what dependency injection is in .NET and why it's important in enterprise applications?
Absolutely. Dependency injection, or DI, is something I work with almost every day in my .NET projects. It's a design pattern that allows us to remove tight coupling between classes and their dependencies. To explain this better, let me walk you through a real scenario from one of my enterprise applications. We were building a customer management system, and I had a service that handled customer notifications, like sending emails and SMS. Initially, I had created objects for those services directly inside the main class, using the new keyword. It worked, but the code became harder to test and maintain. If I ever wanted to change the email provider or mock the SMS service during testing, I had to edit the core logic itself. That's when we switched to dependency injection. Instead of creating the dependencies manually, we registered them in the application service container and asked the framework to inject them whenever needed. For example, the notification class didn't know who was sending the email. It just depended on an interface. The actual implementation was provided at runtime. This made unit testing so much easier. I could pass mock services when testing, and the same logic worked in production with the real implementations. Another benefit we saw was scalability. When our app started supporting multiple channels, like push notifications or WhatsApp, we just injected new services without touching the main logic. It truly followed the open-close principle, open for extension, but close for modification. In .NET Core and later versions, dependency injection is built right into the framework, which is a huge advantage. We use constructor injection mostly, and it integrates beautifully with the built-in IOC container. So, to summarize in my own experience, dependency injection simplifies testing, promotes clean architecture, and reduces the risk of tightly coupled code. In large enterprise systems where services grow rapidly, D is not just helpful, it's essential.